It's me, Lasagna with Miss Doll's Handmade Creations, and today I come to you with an unboxing. This is from, of course, Diamond Art Club. I told y'all I've been going on there every day looking and looking, and when I see something, I'm getting it. So I've got quite a few here and quite a few coming. So y'all will see these, a lot of Diamond Art Club unboxings. So let's get into it. In this box there are two, but of course, you know, I don't do them all two at one time. I do one. So just to show, I do have two in here. We're going to start. I'm just going to grab one. This would be, I like to give them their own video. So for this one, it is a round. How do I know that? It has the pink on it. I love the sparkle and all of that on their boxes. Here's the round symbol here. And I don't think y'all can see it sideways, but this is My Garden Needs Tending. Yes, this is one of the newer ones that just came out. Because some of them I've been getting are the older ones, but they hadn't been available. Oh, it's raining again. Oh. Yeah, we got rain, rain, rain. So let's get this plastic off of here so we can see this baby. I think I got this on release day. I can't remember if it was the release day or not. Hope I don't have I got other projects going on, so hopefully I don't knock stuff over, guys. Of course, the beautiful presentation. Alright. Alright, so the toolkit, normal toolkit. I don't feel a placer in here. Oh, there is a placer. What? There's a placer in this kit. Now, I don't know if all kits coming with it. Got lots of baggies. I'm loving the baggies. Yes, a four-placer. I love four-placers. Yes. So we got a four-placer with this one. Of course, a drill pin, the squishy, two containers of the wax, heart wax. I'm loving that you gave us placers in this one. A placer, four-placer. Let's put this back. Yes, love it. So I'm gonna leave this one out. Of course, the sticker that I keep. And here she is in all her beautiful glory. My Garden Needs Tending. This is by Mandy Mazzano. And I finally have one from her. I've been seeing a lot that I wanted, and they have been sold out. Or out of stock. Not sold out, but out of stock. And so I'm glad I'm finally able to catch one. And she is known for the dark lines, the mosaic looking canvases. So she is a round. She is 56 by 74, which is 22 inches by 29 inches. She is a round, and she has ABs. Let's see how many ABs she has. Two, 133 and 141, and she has 31 colors. That's not too bad. So let's get into this baby. I want to see those ABs. There is your instructions for those that never diamond paint, and it does have a coupon in it. Coupon code. Alright, let's roll her the other way. So excited for this. Ooh, is the canvas sparkly too? We're gonna see. Alright, so I always do it the other way. So when you lay her out, she's flat, guys. Oh my gosh. She is pretty. I don't want to knock over my stuff underneath there. Oh my goodness. She is lovely. Lovely. Let me go ahead and try to make her flat. Y'all know I hang mine up. Sticky is there. Let's look at this drill fill while I got that up. You know Diamond Art Club does wonderful with their drill fill. The symbols and everything. The clarity is amazing. Straighten her out. Do this side. Oh yeah, beautiful. Beautiful. Have the schematics on this side, and let's turn her around. Of course, the schematics on the bottom, or your legend. Sometimes I call it both. And doing it like this just gets it where it will lay flat, guys. Get those wrinkles out. I always will replace my clear covers with the opaque covers. Y'all know that. I like to do it that way so I'm not seeing the picture. Alright, so let's look at the thumbnail. It's at the bottom. Wow. There it is. Look at that thumbnail. So pretty. There's the information. Round with an AB. My garden needs tending. The measurements. Mandy Manzano by Diamond Art Club. Art. Love, love, love. She is so pretty. I love that she... Look at these eyes. I love it. Very beautiful. Holding a rose. Yes! This girl is cute. Poison Ivy. That's who she is. Poison Ivy. Love it. I'm loving this red hair. I want to really see how that turns out with this red hair. Beautiful. So let's look at these drills, guys. Y'all know I want to see that. Let's get into these babies. I don't want to knock my tray over. So we'll put it under here so I won't knock it over. Alright, canvas is very soft like normal. Always soft. Let's sit down so we can see this. The labeling, always. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Wow, look like it's gonna be a lot of black. I do know that. The 310 for Mandy Manzano because of how she does the mosaics. So let's see how many trains we got. 1, 2 trains. Wow. Okay. Move those out the way and let's get on to the contact. All right. Hold on, guys. One moment. All right. Sorry about that. Had a video upload and I don't need to post today. Alright, so the first one we have is 743. Lord, we got 2 of those and that's that yellow. That's a pretty yellow. They got 321. Look like we got 2 of those. That's a red. Wow, we're going to be doing double trouble. Oh my gosh. Look, I have 2 bags of ABs, guys. 133, 2 bags of ABs. Oh, I know y'all see that shine. Aurora Borealis. Oh my gosh, I've never had 2 bags of ABs. I don't think. I think there might have been another kit before this one I said that. I don't know. But, oh my goodness. And they're orange. Beautiful. Then we got 700. We're getting into these greens. 701. 906. Another orange. 740. These some big old bags. 728. Another bright yellow. She's going to be beautiful. 907, that look like peas. Y'all know that real red right there. And then, oh my gosh. These are the 310s, guys. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so we got 5 310s. And you can't tell me these darn drills are not just perfect to me. I love Diamond Art Club's drills. 815, that's like a cranberry red, and then another red. These look almost alike. It's like 1 tick lighter. $4.98. These 2 look almost identical. But those are the big bags. Now let's get down to the smaller bags. Alright, so we start with this one. 606. Oh, that's a bright red. Got 2 of those. Why didn't they just put this in a big one? But it's 2 606. 2 699. I don't know why they're not in a big bag, but hey. 699, another green. 742, 783, 744, 782, 780, 741, $8.90. Oh, the thing's coming off of that one. This one's $9.12. $7.45. Oh, there's an AB. $141. And I'm very excited about keep getting 141 in AB, because there's another kit that I showed y'all. I had a bigger package. It was a more fuller package of 141, and you know they always send you extra. So I will have a lot of 141. That's gonna be awesome. So if I want to add it to another kit that's round, you know, I've got some spots I want to put the white. That would be great. So I got $38.19, another $9.54. Ooh, it's rubbing off. $9.54, $8.14, $9.13, $9.95, and $33.71. OMG. Let's see where those ABs go, guys. Let's just take a look at this beautiful girl. All right, so for $133, that's the one that I got the 2 bags, which is the orange AB. Is number 1. All of her hair here. Not all, but there's some highlights here. There's a lot here. All this orange. All this orange you see here, it has the ABs in it. Her hair is going to be hot and popping. It's going all the way down the hair. So all the orange spots that you see, you have ABs. OMG. Oh my gosh, her hair goes all the way over here. I'm just not noticing that, guys. This is her hair. The things you see. This girl fine too. Look at her. Yes! So that's all those ABs, and there's quite a few in the rows as well. And then for 141, which is the white, that's number 2. Of course, it is her eyes, around her eyebrow, down her nose here, outlining her. That might be all, because remember that's a small bag. So number 2s, that looks like that's it. Just right in here in the face and down her body a little bit. Oh, we got some down here too, right here. So yeah, it probably just pop up every here, you know, here and there with the white, but that's where I see it now. Oh, I do see it around here too, but it's not a lot. But that orange, yes! Oh, this is gonna be so beautiful. So y'all let me know what you think, guys. Here she is again. My unboxing of My Garden Needs Tending by Mandy Manzano. This is another Diamond Art Club kit. I am loving her. So y'all let me know what you think. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, guys, bye-bye.